How to update Bitrue app to the latest version. Are you guys facing issues to update your app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To update your app to the latest version, first of all, open the Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Play Store, now just hit the search icon and search for Bitrue app. After you search for it, click on the Bitrue app icon. After you click on Bitrue app icon, you'll be able to see this option called Update. Tap on Update. Once this gets installed, your app will be launched to the latest version available on the app. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna upgrade the Bitrue application to the latest version. If you guys have any issues regarding Bitrue app, make sure to comment down below so that I can easily help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.